What's up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and the company I will working with today is MyQualityHair. Jumping right in, I'm showing you all my packaging and goodies. Of course, I got a wig cap, some cute little pink wig clips. They also sent me a rat tail comb and the bag that the hair came in, and this is the unit. This is their undetectable HD lace. It is in the texture Silky Straight, 24 inches, 180 density. This is a 13x6 lace wig. It did come with 3 combs inside, adjustable straps in the back, and adjustable elastic band that you can detach or reattach however you want to. Now, this is what the lace is looking like. I did not have to plug this hairline. I did not have to do anything but just lightly bleach the knots. Everything came pre-plucked, and the hairline looks amazing. The lace quality is A1, super thin and see-through, undetectable like the caption says. Okay, love it. Now, I'm going to be doing a 100% glueless unit today, and I haven't done a 100% glueless unit in a minute. You hear me? Like, I'm always gluing it down with some adhesive spray or adhesive. And y'all, I got one strand of hair from me running my fingers through that hair 5 times. This hair is A1. No shedding, no tangling. We've already cut off the excess lace, and look how it's already melting into my skin. I didn't put no makeup or anything on the lace yet. All I did was cut the lace and put it on top. Now I'm just cutting out my ear tabs because, like I said, we will be wearing this 100% glueless, baby. Once I cut that out, I am going to go on the other side, cut out my other ear tab, and then cut off any excess lace that I do not want or just don't like to see. Like, I do see a little bit of the lace coming down on my forehead, and I want to go ahead and cut that off because we don't need it. Once I get that done, and I am going to cut that off with my eyebrow razor, I'm going to repeat the same step that I did on the other side with my sideburn. Cut all of that off, and then we're going to come back, pop some color in, and get ready to style.
Hey, we got in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch on two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out honest. Vibes galore cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell
I will be doing just a simple plain Jane bust down middle part, no baby hairs or nothing. So I'm just going to go ahead and part my hair down the middle using my rat tail comb. Like I said, the hairline was A1. I love how it came pre-plucked, and then with me parting down the middle, like, the density of the hair was really good. It wasn't thin and it wasn't too thick. And this texture of the hair, even though it's silky straight, like, it feels like a blowout to me or something. I don't know, but it felt really natural. It didn't feel like Brazilian silky straight Barbie doll hair, if that makes any sense. Now I'm going to take my Remy wax stick, and I'm just going to run that across the top of my head. You want to get everything nice and flat. Once I get through with that, I'm going to take my Conair hot comb, and I have that set on 425 degrees, and I'm just going to press that bad boy out. Okay, you want to just get it super flat. We don't want no helmets, okay, no skull caps. You want it to look like your hair, so press it out. Okay, take your time, but you can definitely see how one side is slick, already getting down, and the other side is bulky. Like, you see the difference? It makes a big difference. So just keep laying it down till you get the flatness of your liking. Don't burn yourself or don't burn a hole in your lace. Don't, like, just hold the hot comb on the lace because that will ruin the wig. But yeah, I'm just going to press everything out, get it as nice and flat as I possibly can. And then once that's done, I'm going to do the other side. And after that, I think we will be done. We'll be wrapping up this video, y'all. This is the bomb part about having a glueless wig. Like, once you put your hot comb and shit on and it's styled, we press it out, you get to go. But you guys see the difference. You see how that side was completely pressed out, looks nice, fresh, way more realistic. We're going to do the same thing to the other side, and then once that's done, we're going to come back with our straightener, press this out, and wrap this look up.
Hey, we got In the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all honest. Vibes galore, cute, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she coming. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Look too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around the town. Off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't fuck where I go, long as I get paid. That little vibe.
I will be taking some Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 235, and I'm just going to pop that right into my part just to hide my ball cap up underneath a little bit because it was giving me a little yellow. I don't know what was going on with that, so I'm just going to go in and correct that color real fast. Once we're done with that, I am going to take my Babyliss Pro Titanium Straightener, and we are going to give this a nice little silk press. Since the hair is already silky straight, I didn't have to do too much to it, but just run the straightener through it just a couple of little times for me, you know, handling the hair while I was installing the wig. But I love how realistic this hair looks on me, and for this wig to not be glued down at all, it is definitely giving scalp, okay? I love it. Now I'm going to take my Nano Titanium Straightener, and like I said, I'm just going to run this through the hair a couple of times. I didn't have to go in and silk press or anything like that because the hair was silky straight out of the box. So here you guys just see a little sped up version of me running my straightener through the hair a couple of times, and then I'm going to do a slow-mo so you guys can see that luster and shine. This wig was A1. When I tell you A1, okay? I love this unit. MyQualityHair, y'all wasn't capping with the quality because the quality is A1. Super beginner friendly. You didn't have to do too much. Like I said, cut off the lace and put it on. You can wear this 100% glueless. You didn't have to do no adhesive, none of that. And look at that shine and luster. Look at that. I didn't put no product in this hair at all. All I did was spray a little bit of, no, I didn't even use heat protection spray, y'all. Like, I didn't use nothing. And look at this hair. It's eating. It's giving. I love it. It's very much giving my scalp, my head, my hair. Perfect for the winter time. And since it's glueless, once you're ready to take it off, baby, you can just snatch that sucker off. You ain't got to worry about it at all. But this is what it is looking like. I love the texture of this hair, the quality of the hair. The brand name speaks for itself. Like I said, 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I'm going to show you guys the lace up close and personal. Like I said, 100% glowless. Glueless, baby. No adhesive. And tell me that's not my hair. With no baby hair. You don't need no edges, no baby hairs, and it's giving. It's very much giving. That's me. That's all me. That's Scalpiano right there. Yes, I love how sleek and natural this looks. Like I said, super easy for beginners. If you are a newbie with the wigs, or you are new in the wig game and you do not know what you are doing, or just don't have the time or the patience to deal with a wig, this would be something I would recommend buying. Just because it takes all the hard work out of it for you. You don't have to do that. All of that shit's out of the equation. Like, look at that hairline. Look at that. And we getting up close and personal. Look at that. I didn't put no color on this lace. Nothing. And it's melted. And it's not even glued down. And I love how natural the hairline looks. Like I said, we did a no baby hair look. And this look literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. You can't tell me otherwise. I refuse to believe otherwise. Do you hear me? And then look at how clean and crispy that part is. Knots where? Ball cap where? It's giving. Again, this is MyQualityHair. This is their 26-inch 13 by 6 HD lace. It did come in texture silky straight, and like I said, this is 100% glueless. As you guys can see, I'm lifting everything up with my comb. Nothing is adhered down. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. All my new subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. I am going to be dropping new content for you guys. I appreciate y'all so much. Y'all are making me grow and just motivate me more to stay consistent and don't give up, because I've been doing this since 2017, and when I tell y'all, like, it does get repetitive sometimes and I just be feeling burnt out sometimes, but y'all keep me going, y'all keep me motivated, y'all give me the confidence I need to drop this stuff for y'all. So if you guys like this, please let me know what y'all got think in the box below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye. Mwah.